Hello! I have some curly ribbon, and I don't like curly ribbon, so I've been trying to figure out how to straighten it. And I figured it out. The flat iron was getting too hot, so I have this flat iron now. You can't see, it's probably backwards, but it says 265 degrees. And I put these little paper towel mittens. They're not that pretty, but they worked. So put some mittens on the hair straightener and just pull it through. And it is, if it's too hot, it's gonna melt the ribbon. And this ribbon is holographic. The mittens keep the temperature lower. If my flat iron had a lower temperature, it would work, but you can see how it's working. It takes a couple passes, and well, it is much straighter. I'm also going really fast. If I slow down, it'll go better. Now it's straight. Now I'll try this red one. It's really curly. If I do this with the other hand. It doesn't slide as well with these little mittens on, but it is still, it's working. So I have seen some rosettes that use this ribbon as the streamers. I don't use this as streamers for this reason, because it's curly. Although I may start now that I figured out how to get it uncurled. But if you have some rosettes that have this holographic ribbon as the streamers, you can get them uncurled using the same thing.